Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap drone with camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Holystone 4K Drone Foldable. Brand name, Holystone. 4K Full HD camera, 120 dredgy wide-angle lens. Max 13 minutes flying time, modular battery, easy to carry, installation NAD removal. Altitude hold, clearly pictures with altitude hold mode. Foldable and portable, same size as your cell phone. 60 meters max Wi-Fi distance, Wi-Fi app compatible, real-time FPV. 1 key takeoff landing, 3 speeds, 1 key switch speed. 3D film, 360 rolling. Compatible with 3D VR glass. Number 4. Eachine Wi-Fi FPV RC Drone. Brand name, Eachine. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With Wi-Fi function can be connected app system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. There have multiple cameras can be choose. With 480p, 720p, 1080p or 4K HD camera give wide high definition pictures and video. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. With 1 key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. With 3.7 volts 1100 mAh battery, the fly time up to 13 minutes. Up down, forward backward, turn left right, sideward flight, 3-level flight speed, 3D rolling. Number 3. Laumox 4K GPS Drone. Brand name, Laumox. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with 1 button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. GPS Smart Follow. After the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Camera lens, 120 degrees. Adjustable angle camera, 90 degrees. Flight time, about 18 minutes. Charging time, about 4 hours. Control distance, 500 m. Wi-Fi image transmission distance, 300 m. GPS follow me, 30 meters. Number 2. Hgiyi GPS RC Drone. Brand name, Hgiyi. 1080p 4K HD camera, can take pictures, shoot videos and realize real-time transmission. Focal length, 50x zoom. Headless mode function, you don't need to figure out its flight direction first to avoid crash. GPS 1 button return, 1 button return to takeoff point, low power return, no signal return. GPS intelligent follow, after the aircraft is connected to GPS, turn on the app follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. Working time, about 18 minutes. Number 1. Xingyuchuanqi Durable RC Drone. Brand name, Xingyuchuanqi. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. Follow me, the plane will control the phone fixedly and follow the direction of movement of the operator. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Using 7.4 volt 2000 mAh battery, flight time is up to 25 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust aircraft position before flight.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. In this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.